Hi everybody, this is Rishi Majaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today, I am going to give you the name in riddles. You've got to solve it. I've got so much room in my heart for have a super day. Can you guess it? I have so much room in my heart for mushroom and have a soup. S-U-O-P, soup, day. So today we're going to be making super creamy and super tasty mushroom soup. So I've got some water, some salt, crushed black pepper, makke ka atta or maize flour, onions, cream. Now you can make cream at home by collecting the malai from the milk after boiling it and then cooling it. Butter, crushed garlic, Maggi Magic Cube, mushrooms of course, chopped coriander, cheese and a bit of nutmeg. The pan's on low flame right now and we are going to add our butter. The way it slides away like a slow boat, I like it so much. So we're going to take our mushrooms and blend them. Add the cream to this as well. Look at that thick cream. So I'm going to blend this into a paste to add that extra texture and flavor. I'm gonna taste this. Yeah. So please try out this recipe and if you like it, please comment down below. I'm gonna be back with another recipe soon. Please share, subscribe, like and comment my video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.